Oh, hello everyone. I've actually got one more to share with you. Sorry, so there were 7 and this is the 7th. This is a design team project for Mrs Cog, Elizabeth Cog at Mrs Cog's Crafts, using her Blue in the Garden digital kit. I love all the colours in the garden kits, and I hadn't used this one before and it's absolutely gorgeous. I've used every image in this journal, and for a change I wanted to do something a little more simple, and I've made a paper bag journal. I actually purchased a journal from Gina at the Firefly Studio. I'll put her link underneath here, and she'd used 2 paper bags stitched together to make her cover. So I borrowed or stole that idea, and I did cut mine down slightly so the sizes are a little bit different, but this is basically 2 American style lunch bags stitched together. You'll see on the inside how that's done. Perhaps you can see here on the back. So this is the base of one and I swapped them round, so this is the top of the other one. I've put some bows on the back. I've teamed this journal with a little bit of pink and a touch of yellow. There's a couple of pretty dangles here included, and this actually ended up quite fat. I put quite a lot of tags in this because, as I say, I wanted to use up the whole of the kit. So we've got lace, and on the inside there's a pocket here. This is the way the bags sort of form together. There's also a sort of little secret pocket just in the top here. So secret, I can't find it, there it is. A little further pocket there which you could hide something if that's what you need to do in your journals. I do in mine, I hide things in mine. This is Stamperia paper, tea-dyed paper, and then it's a series of journal cards using this leaf die cut as my motif through the journal. I quite often do this when I'm making journals, as well as making the colours as cohesive as I can. I use a similar style or a similar motif through the journal pages or on the editions, so that again it adds to the, for me anyway, it adds to the cohesiveness which I like in a journal. It's in a pocket, obviously, it's from a colouring book. This is I've left open but not put anything in there, so you could use that as a pocket if you wanted to, otherwise obviously just for decoration. A little bit of Edith Holden floral book pages. This is a journal card, and this is some very old book page, and I've left the raggedy edge on there. I quite liked that. A little floating pocket here with again the lace and sari silk. It's just a plain journal card in here, and I've added the clips just for a bit of extra decoration, but obviously you could clip things under there. This is decoration only. This is the Tracy Fox hanging tag. I've used, I've had this a while, but obviously the colours matched rather well. This is some paper that I've dyed with spray inks. Jibid Neary has got a really good tutorial on how to achieve that look, if you like that look. It's one of my collage tags. Some Tim Holtz paper in the centre here. Another collage tag. These originally were inspired by Roxy from Roxy Creations, and again she's got a tutorial that shows you how you might put something like this together. This is an envelope. I just like the way the colours tone. There's another plain journal card in there. This is some Tim Holtz paper tape, which I've had for a very long time. This is a decorated glassine bag in that one. Another pretty image and card. Again, this is left open. If you did want to just slot something in there, you could do. a larger journal card in this pocket, just layered up. I've just decorated the corners of these cards just to do something a little bit slightly different. It's not very different. And the back of the Stamperia paper there, and in this again you've got this inner pocket and then the deeper one at the back. And that's my Mrs Cog design team project for January. Thank you very much for watching. Hope I've not bored you too much with all these videos. Hopefully I won't put them all up together, and I'll see you all again soon.